comparative market analysis on this home here in Mandolin, 4569 Mandolin Boulevard. What the CMA is it tells us how to value this home. And it also gives you a lot of information. In here you can see what tells you what a CMA is, which we take the sold homes and the active homes, compare them to this home, size, amenities, those kinds of things to come up with a market value for your home. In this instance, I have 7 homes in Mandolin that I thought were appropriate to compare to this home. This goes through every home. I can tell you that this particular home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little bit bigger at 1,976 square feet. It was built in 2007. And I can show you pictures of it, front and back, so you can see what it looks like. Again, here's another one that sold in September. And you can go through the book and see every home that I used as a comparable to this home. When you get to the end of those comparables, then you get statistics. There was only one active that I chose, so it really doesn't have any statistics to give you. But you can see on the sold ones, it just goes and shows you at what price they averaged at. And you can see the average price was $175,400, but on the active one it's listed at $185,000. This comparative market analysis takes all that information and we put it together and we come up with a price for the home. This particular home, I have a suggested list price of $196,500 based on the information that's in this book that is pulled from the MLS, which is what we realtors use to search for homes for you. There's information additionally on online home values and what to expect with those, because those are done on they take information and load it in. They don't take the specifics of the house into account. So those online numbers usually are skewed slightly. And that's why you need to contact a realtor when you're looking to buy or sell a home to truly get the value of your home.
Okay. We're very grateful today that Ms. Julia is here with us. She did a comparative market analysis for us. She came in, she talked with Mr. Moselle and Shane, who was the property manager, and she's helping us out. We're very appreciative, networking in a circle of knowledge, professionals, and we salute her today. And if you need to reach her for any of your real estate needs, you can reach her at...
My number is 863-528-9610. And you can visit my website, which is sellingpolk, sellingpolk.com.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Greg. Appreciate it. Happy to be here today.
All right.
Come on out and see Greg and take a look at this beautiful home.
That's right. That's right. Thank you.